So hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make a decent main menu widget for your Android project in Unreal Engine 4. Uh, for your kind information, I am using the Unreal Engine version 4.26.2. So it must not be very different from this version. We'll create a new widget, name it main underscore menu like that. Open this. Now, first of all, we have to place here any one of our banner for the game or any pic that will be on the start screen. Set the anchors to full screen. Adjust it in the canvas panel like this. Now, we have to get a button and set the anchor to the full screen as well. As you see, it's covering the full image and we are not able to see the image. For that, we have to go to background color, click there and change the value to 0 in the alpha channel. Now drag a text, but first of all make sure that the button should uh, under the image. It should not be like this. It should be under the image, and the text should be that it should be in the middle of them like this. Better than added it. We'll change it to tap anywhere to will be like this. Reset to default the X position, Y position. We have to zoom in, tweak the X axis, position X and the position Y. Like this you can do. The color should be yellow so that it can attract people's mind that yeah, I am here on the page. Like this. If you have custom fonts, then it will be very good. So we have to adjust it so that player can or the user can see it and make it bold or make shadow of this text. So go in the search details and type shadow. Now here apply outline, shadow color, change the value to 1 in alpha channel of shadow color, and you can see this shadow here. You can tweak the x-axis and y-axis of this shadow, change the shadow's color, but we don't want to change. It can be like this. You can use your preference according to your preference. Now it said I've been able to start. So now we have to go on this button, scroll down, click on pressed, and now we have if we press button 1, it will remove from parent, it will remove the widget from the parent, and it will set game paused to false. It should be false here. And like that we have to do it in the event construct. Click this, copy and paste, connect it to the event construct, and this should be true. Remember, this should be true because on event construct the game should be paused, and on press tap anywhere to start button it should be unpaused or resume. So now the widget is done. Now you have to go in the level blueprints and type event begin play. Now uh, create widget, select your widget like I have min underscore menu, and then add to viewport. So now you can see that first of all we can see the map, and if we play the level it will take some time because my map is big. Now you can see that this is looking great. Here it can tap anywhere to start. If we tap here, it will start the game. But if it's not working in your game, you should go to project settings and check and type here mouse, and if use mouse for touch is false, set it to true so that you can be able to see the and uh, and access the widget, interact with the widget, because we have clicked on pressed. That on when we press with finger, that is on pressed. If you want to click with mouse, it is on clicked. But it's for the Android. If you want it for PC, then in the button you can uh, click on the on clicked button and then connect it to this. The same code will be for both. Because if you're uh, not set to true the use mouse for touch button, it will also not show the touch interface if you have any. Like I have this touch interface, it will not appear. So this was for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe the channel for more.